So Fucking Drunk 66's channel. I'm in these beer reviews, guest in the year at the GBBF in Olympia, London. We've just been over to the American cask beer stand. I'll tell Dan to swing round to show you the bar that we've just been to. We've got a selection of Sierra Nevadas, Rogue, AleSmith, a few others there on cask. So the one I'm going to review is the AleSmith Old Ale, coming in at a boot you in the bollocks 11%. So this was £2.80 for a third pint, so £9 a pint. So it's certainly not a cheap beer, but I've not seen it before either in bottles or cask. So I'm going for a bit of a dark brown, Newcastle brown ale kind of colour, I want to say. So I'll go for a bit of a smell. Sweet honey. I'm smelling the alcohol on it, so it's you are feeling the 11%. Cinnamon spice, a bit of burnt toast, so straight in for a bit of taste on this. It's just not cold enough for me. It's just, that's virgin or lukewarm, which might be how it's meant to be served, but it's got a strong medicine-y afterburn on the old alcohol. Maybe at £9 there's not a hope in hell I could drink a full pint of this. It's alright, you know, it's a specific taste, it's a sipper of a beer. It's probably not the right environment to be drinking something like this. Nice to have tried on cask, so it's a bit of an experience. One more smell and taste. Kind of burnt sugar. I'll quickly flick you on to Dan, who
as Minnie's just said, the AleSmith Old Ale, 11% British ale. First thing I'm getting from that, it smells like Arrogant Bastard, which I was not a big fan of. Very, very strong malty flavour coming from that. Might as well just dive in here, both feet. I think it's a lead boot beer, 11% on the Richter scale, so anyway, slanty bar. Very malty. Maltiness actually dominates the beer, very strong. In fairness to it, 11%, I'm not really tasting 11%. I would actually, if someone gave me that, I would say maybe 7, 8, maybe 9%. Not that bad. I prefer this actually to Arrogant Bastard, which I absolutely do not like at all. So anyway, I'm going to give the... can't remember what it's called now.
AleSmith Old Ale.
The AleSmith Old Ale.
Daft bastard.
11% on the Richter scale.
Right, let's get you in your bed. You fucking had enough for today. Let's get you home. Stu Pickard was right about you.
Yeah. Shout out to Ginger Stew and Brother Andrew.
We're going for a Titanic vanilla next.
Shout out to Beer Goggles Reviews, who's reviewing as we speak from his bed.
He's reviewing the paracetamol.
He's reviewing the paracetamol. Well anyway, Slanty Bar. If you want to have a go at this, either get your ass over to America or come down to GBBF. Slanty Bar.